Imagine you're trying to send money to a loved one abroad, and suddenly, everything goes wrong. The transaction is stuck, the money's nowhere to be found, and you're left feeling panicked and alone. What do you do? How do you get help? That's where Paysend support comes in. But let's be real, contacting customer support can be a pain, especially when you're dealing with a financial service. So, today, we're going to cut through the red tape and show you exactly how to get in touch with Paysend support and get your issue resolved. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why it might be necessary to contact Paysend support in the first place. Here are a few common scenarios. Transaction issues. Your transaction might be delayed, failed, or have other problems. Account problems. You might have trouble logging in, resetting your password, or accessing your account. Fees and charges. You might have questions about fees, exchange rates, or other charges. Technical difficulties. You might be experiencing technical problems with the Paysend app or website. 1. Check Paysend's Help Center. The first step is to check Paysend's Help Center. This is a great resource for finding answers to common questions and troubleshooting issues. You can search for keywords related to your problem or browse through the categories. 2. Use Paysend's live chat. If you can't find the answer you're looking for in the Help Center, try using Paysend's live chat feature. This is a quick and easy way to get in touch with a customer support representative. Simply navigate to the Contact Us page on the Paysend website and click on the Live Chat button. 3. Submit a support ticket. If live chat isn't available or you prefer to submit your query in writing, you can submit a support ticket. This is a good option for complex issues or if you need a written record of your correspondence. To submit a ticket, go to the Contact Us page and fill out the form. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your issue. 4. Contact Paysend by phone. In some cases, you may need to contact Paysend by phone. You can find the phone number on the Contact Us page. Be prepared to provide your account information and a detailed explanation of your issue. Tips for effective communication. Be clear and concise. Clearly state your problem and what you need help with. Be patient. Customer support representatives may need time to gather information or resolve your issue. Be polite. Treating customer support representatives with respect will increase the likelihood of a positive outcome. Additional tips. Check Paysend's social media. Paysend may also provide customer support through their social media channels. Consider using a VPN. If you're experiencing technical difficulties, try using a VPN to connect to the Paysend website. Be aware of scams. Be cautious of anyone claiming to be from Paysend and asking for personal information. Paysend will never ask for your password or other sensitive information over the phone or email. So, there you have it. Those are the steps you can take to contact Paysend support and get your issue resolved. Remember to be patient, polite, and provide as much detail as possible. With a little effort, you should be able to get the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy sending.